Hey guys, we're at Glacier National Park today in beautiful Lake McDonald, and we're doing a kayak ride with my son Logan.
What's up, everybody?
So we're on beautiful Lake McDonald, 10 miles long, 2 miles across. Not a lot of people out here. It's really kind of the first day of the summer season out here, June 13th. And so Logan never kayaked before. I've done it a few times in Lake Tahoe and in Florida, Ocala, Florida, and never been on super cold water like this. Although Lake Tahoe was pretty cold, but we're up for a fun day.
Yep.
Been out here for about an hour. Logan, what do you think?
Back is hurting, but the view is beautiful.
It really is stunning. The wind's picking up a little bit. The water's not as smooth. All right, we pulled over for a break. These are the famous multicolored stones. Not as vividly bright as you see on AI adjusted social media. Still pretty cool.
This is also how Uncrustables were meant to be eaten.
All right, just took a little break. Logan?
I wonder how deep this water is. I got some in my hand.
Let's see if we can tell. Get a little dunk.
It's been a long time since you've seen her. Could have been 3 years or more. Will she be waiting when we dock, boys? Or like the others, will she be gone? It's one more pull, boys, that'll do, boys. Soon we'll draw alongside. Now that I'm staring down at the darkest abyss, I'm not sure what I want, but I don't think it's this. As my comrades call to stand fast and forge on, I make sail for the dawn till the darkness has gone.
All right, let's keep steering.
Things you find out when you travel together. My son knows a bunch of sea shanty songs. It's made for this trip to be very exciting. You're the man, Logan.
Thank you.
We literally have the lake to ourselves. It's unbelievable. We just did about 3 hours of kayaking on Lake McDonald. My hand's a little shaky because I'm worn out.
Yeah.
Logan, what you think?
I also thought this was fantastic, just the right amount of physical activity where, you feel yourself going, but, you're not like drained by the end of it. You're still able to focus on all the views around you and stuff like that instead of just focusing on rowing and rowing and rowing and rowing. We also took a nice little break halfway through, which definitely helped. But yeah, water was nice and calm.
It was cold, but wasn't freezing. It was fantastic.
Very, very good. Although coming back in, the wind was blowing right in our face at the very end. I'm like, I don't know if we're going to make it. We went to use a place called Glacier Outfitters. Just did a good job. And so we had a great time. Highly recommend this activity. We will see you guys next time. Over now.